Class 7 Geography Chapter 3 Our Changing World. The lithosphere is broken into number plates known as the lithospheric plate. The There are two types of forces. It's divided into two: endogenic forces and the exogenic forces. Endogenic the inside the earth, exogenic outside the earth. And they are the sudden movement causes so many property loss is called the earthquake and the volcano. Volcano is the open vent area crust molten magma erupts suddenly is called the volcano. Volcano have the similarity with both the volcano and the earthquake. The earthquake have the vibration of the earth, vibration of the land is called the earthquake. The place where the movement start is called the focus. Place above the place above the focus is called epicenter. Now the here is the focus and here is the epicenter. Now the earthquake, the seismographic is the machine measured by to measure the earthquake is the seismographic. It is the important question. And the measure landform, the weathering and the erosion are the measure landform. The continuously one away of two process of weathering and erosion. Weathering is the breaking of rocks earth surface. Of erosion of soil from one place to another is called the erosion. And deposit walk of river, the waterfall, it is the hard rock having here and the soft rock and the having the angel fall of water is is called the waterfall. The As the river enters in the plain and twists turning the large bend, the like a large bend is called the meander. It is called the meander. And the cut off from river, the cut off lake is called the oxbow lake. The leads of information of flat fertile is called floodplain, and the rest of bank are called levees. The collection of sediment from all mounts of delta is called the delta. Now the work of sea waves. Sea caves are formed by the hollow of rock is called sea caves. The sea caves are the sea arches roof of the bigger cave prevent the sea arches roof and only walks like a wall structure called stacks. Sea cliff is the coasting vertically of the sea water is called sea cliff. Walk of ice. Glacier moraines. The material carried by the glaciers such as rock, beach and small silt gets the glacier moraines. And we are having the walk of wind. The moving of the in the desert the rock shaped mushroom commonly called mushroom rock, and the when the stop blowing and sand fall down is called the sand dunes. The deposited of large area is called Lewis. And the chapter finished here only, so thank you for these classes and see the next chapter. And I can explain the lithospheric plate in a very short manner. The crust consists of several large and small rigid irregularly shaped is called the continue and the called the ocean floor. So thank you for this class. We will join at the next classes.